In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get karma on Reddit, an essential element for engaging deeper into the community, unlocking new opportunities, and building your reputation within this vibrant, dynamic platform. Let's start at the beginning by understanding what karma really means on Reddit. Simply put, karma is a score you earn when other users upvote your submissions and comments. It's essentially a marker of credibility and engagement, signaling to others that what you have contributed is appreciated by the community. Now, it's important to remember that quality, not quantity, is your friend here. Imagine you're in a massive forum with myriad discussions happening all around you, each with its unique flavor. The key to earning karma is participating in those discussions with thoughtful, insightful contributions. The first step is finding subreddits that align with your interests and areas of expertise. Whether it's tech, humor, literature, or niche hobbies, there's bound to be a subreddit or several where you can not just participate but truly belong. When you find these communities, take time to familiarize yourself with the rules and the overall vibe. Each subreddit has its culture and guidelines, some more stringent than others. So, before jumping in, reading through the community rules and browsing the top posts of all time for a feel of what fits well within that community is always a smart move. Once you're comfortable, showing your support to others with upvotes on posts and comments that resonate with you or you find valuable is a good start. This shows your engagement and helps you identify what's highly regarded within this group. Now, the magic lies in posting your content. Start by creating posts that spark meaningful discussions or offer value, perhaps through helpful advice, funny anecdotes, or intriguing stories. Remember, authenticity is key. People tend to respond positively to genuine experiences and perspectives. Likewise, engaging in the comments section proves invaluable. Here, responding thoughtfully, sharing insights, answering questions, or just adding your perspective on a topic can drive a fruitful exchange that earns upvotes. Timing also plays an essential role. Posting when your subreddit is most active ensures more eyes on your content, increasing your chances of receiving karma. Typically, weekdays during morning or late afternoon work best, but this might vary depending on your community's geographical spread. Lastly, patience is crucial. Building karma takes time and consistency. It's about becoming a part of the community rather than merely accumulating points. Avoid shortcuts like reposting the same content, engaging in adversarial discussions, or using clickbait, since these can hurt your reputation in the long run. In conclusion, engaging genuinely and thoughtfully, giving and receiving support, and understanding the communities you're invested in are your pathways to growing karma on Reddit. Keep contributing, learning, and enjoying this diverse platform, and you'll see your karma roll in before you know it.